Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Almost the same thing, just one more added uh, degree of element to it. We're going to draw both these. They're pretty cool. I'm going to take a square. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to get my shape tool, and I'm just going to bring in one of the corners, just a little bit. Now I'm going to Control D and alternate C to make it rotate from the center, and I'm going to rotate it 15 degrees. So there's that spot. Now I'm going to make a duplicate of this and move it over because we're going to do this one this way and then do the other one the other way. I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to use that. I like that turquoise. And I'm going to fill that in. Now I can delete my two rectangles or my two squares because I'm working in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and add some interactive fill to it. And you don't want too much, but I'm going to put a little black. You could use blue, or that's too much, so we're just going to expand that out. Now I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 15 degrees. And see, we're getting that pattern of kind of like a twisted rope or ribbon, and you get that right there. Now we're going to take the same, let me go ahead and group that together and move it out of the way. We're going to nudge this back to the center. And this time I'm going to take this one. Let me zoom in here. I'm going to grab that one. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, I'm going to bring it inwardly. That gives me that little strip. Now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill that in. Now I can get rid of my two rectangles, or my three rectangles. I'm going to take that and do the same thing with the interactive fill tool and make it dark, but not quite so dark. Now Control D, alternate C, and rotate it at 15 degrees. And see, now the places are not, well, I've lost my Control D. So if that ever happens, just Control D and add plus 15, and it'll keep going. That's why a lot of times I'm going to use the transformation docker. But if you look at that, that looks pretty cool, both of them. Kind of looks like especially on this one, like the black is running into infinity. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.